Imagine a world where the sky is no longer just something you look at, but something you enter. A world where gravity feels optional, where rooftops turn into playgrounds, where streets become racetracks, and the horizon transforms into an endless invitation. Picture yourself lifting a drone into the air, and instead of watching it from the outside, you become the flight itself. You don't just control the drone, you feel every turn, every dive, every roll, as if your body is soaring through the air. That is the feeling behind the DJI Avata 360, a drone that doesn't just capture footage, but completely redefines how we experience motion, perspective, and storytelling. Because this isn't just another flying camera. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is a flight experience wrapped inside immersive technology, built for explorers, creators, dreamers, and anyone who has ever looked at the sky and wondered what it would be like to break free from the ground. From the very first moment you power it on, the Avata 360 feels different. The sound of its propellers isn't just the sound of a machine, it's the sound of possibility waking up. You hold the motion controller in your hand, you slip the headset over your eyes, and suddenly the world around you begins to fade. The ordinary disappears. The noise of daily life becomes distant, and you find yourself floating above your surroundings, weightless, limitless, alive. You tilt your wrist, and the drone follows like an extension of your instincts. You lean into a turn, and the world curves with you. Forward becomes acceleration. Downward becomes thrill. Every movement feels natural, intuitive, deeply connected, like learning to fly not with buttons, but with your own sense of direction and motion. And that is where the true magic of the DJI Avata 360 begins, in the way it turns the sky into a space you can feel. Traditional drones show you the world from above. But Avata 360 pulls you into the sky itself. The 360-degree perspective wraps around you, surrounding your vision with motion, environment, immersion, and depth. Buildings rise beside you. Trees rush past you. Streets expand below you. Every direction becomes a canvas. Every frame becomes a sensation. You're not simply recording a scene, you're living inside it. And when you watch that footage later, it doesn't just look impressive. It feels personal. It feels emotional. It feels like a memory you actually experienced, not just something you filmed. Imagine flying through an abandoned warehouse, weaving between pillars, diving through broken windows, racing through corridors where light cuts through dust in soft golden beams. With Avata 360, every turn through that environment becomes cinematic. Every movement feels like a shot from a film, and every second of footage carries the energy of speed and exploration. Or imagine gliding low over ocean waves at sunrise. The water shimmering below, the horizon glowing with orange light, the breeze almost felt through the motion of flight. The world doesn't just look beautiful, it feels alive, and you feel like you're part of it. But the Avata 360 isn't only about thrill or adrenaline. It's about perspective. It's about seeing familiar places in an entirely new way. The street you walk every day suddenly becomes a dynamic landscape when seen from above. The park down the road transforms into rolling shapes, curves, patterns, and pathways when you glide through it from the air.